In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Williams percent range indicator in MT5. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add it to your chart, what its key setting does, and how to read its signals with confidence. First, let's get it on your chart. In MetaTrader 5, go to the top menu and click Insert, then Indicators, then Oscillators, and choose Williams percent range. When the settings window opens, leave the period at 14, which is the standard default, and click OK. You'll see the indicator appear in a separate window below your price chart. That's it. Installation done. Now a quick tour of what you're looking at. Williams percent R is an oscillator that moves on an inverted scale from 0 down to 100. Because it's inverted, readings near 0 represent strength, and readings near 100 represent weakness relative to the recent price range. When the line moves into the 20 to 0 area, the market is considered overbought, meaning price is trading near its recent highs. When it dips into the 80 to 100 area, the market is considered oversold, meaning price is near its recent lows. Around 50 is your neutral zone, where momentum is more balanced. It's important to understand what overbought and oversold really mean here. They don't guarantee an immediate reversal. Instead, they show where price is sitting within its recent high-low range. In a strong uptrend, the line can hug the overbought area for a while, and in a strong downtrend, it can linger in oversold. Use these zones as context for momentum, not as automatic buy or sell signals. Let's talk about the period setting, because that one input shapes how the indicator behaves. Period 14 is a solid, widely used standard that balances responsiveness with smoothness. If you lower the period to something like 7 to 10, the indicator becomes faster and more sensitive. You'll see signals appear sooner, but you may also get more noise and whipsaws. If you raise the period to 20 or higher, the line smooths out, filtering minor fluctuations, but you'll get fewer signals and they'll arrive later. Choose a setting that matches your time frame and risk tolerance, and consider testing how it behaves across different market conditions. As you watch the line move, keep an eye on transitions through the neutral area around 450, and notice how reaching the overbought and oversold zones aligns with recent highs and lows on your price chart. Combine that context with your existing analysis to make more informed decisions. That's all you need to start using Williams percent R in MT5 effectively.